Introduction to Management. According to Lewis, management is the process of administering and coordinating resources effectively, efficiently, and in an effort to achieve goals of organization. For Stoner, management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling the efforts of an organization members and using all other organizational resources to achieve stated organizational goals. Meanwhile, for Holt, the management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling that encompasses human material, financial, and information resources in an organizational environment. Managerial levels consist of top manager, middle manager, first-line manager, and non-managerial personnel. Three basic skills that are important in management are human skills, technical skills, and conceptual skills. In management roles, there are interpersonal roles, informational roles, and divisional roles. For interpersonal roles, it consists of figurehead, leader, and liaison. For informational roles, it consists of monitor, disseminator, and spokesperson. Meanwhile, for divisional roles, it consists of entrepreneur, disturbance handler, resource allocator, and negotiator.
The definition of planning is setting goals and defining the actions necessary to achieve those goals. The importance of planning is first, sense of direction and purpose. Second, device for controlling managers. Third, reduce overlapping. Next, can point out the need of future. And last, get managers to participate in decision making. There is two types of planning and goals. First is goals. Goals consist of vision, mission, goal, objective, and plan. Second is planning, consists of strategic plan and organizational or operational plan. The definition of strategic planning is the process by which an organization makes decisions and takes action to enhance its long-term performance. There are three types in strategic planning, which is first, tactical plans, short-term plans, and long-term plans. There is two types of organizational plans, which is stand-off, standing plans, and single-use plans.
Decision-making is the process through which managers identify and resolve problems and capitalize on opportunities. There are two types of decision-making, which is program and non-program. Program is a repetitive decision that can be handled by a routine approach. For the non-program, it is unstructured and requires high-level management. Non-program is also a non-routine decision-making that occurs in response to unpredictable opportunities and threats. There are four conditions under decision-making. First, certainty. Second, uncertainty. Third, risk. And fourth, ambiguity. There are 4 rationale of decision making, which is investigate the situation, develop alternative, evaluate alternative and select the best one, and also implement and monitor. There are 7 types of decision making, which is
organizing, the process of determining the tasks to be done, who will do them and how those tasks will be managed and coordinated. Why we need organizing? First, to divide the work according to the nature and the similarity of tasks, to pool resources and increase the efforts which lead to efficiency, and to build continuity and synergy. Manager who want to organize department must address this issue. First, determine what is to be done. Second, assigning tasks. And third, decide how to achieve coordination. The organizing process. First, aligning with company's mission and vision. Determining task, duties and responsibilities. Grouping into logical unit and subunit, coordinating resources, and lastly, monitoring and feedback. Definition of division of work. The work has to be divided among the members, so individuals are responsible for a limited set of jobs. For the advantage, increase productivity and creates job specialization. And for disadvantage, high degree control and boredom. Departmentalization, process of grouping jobs into separate units, activity or tasks that are proposed. First, functional structure, product structure, customer structure, geographical structure, matrix structure, and network structure. Span of management is a number of subordinates who report directly to a given manager of supervision. Type of work, the strength of organization structure, the ability of manager. Chain of command, separate line of authority and power among all positions in an organizing. Have 2 types, which is unity of command and scalar relationship. For unity of command is each person, and for scalar relationship must be clear and unbroken line of authority. Span of management, a number of subordinates who report directly to a given manager or supervision. The factor influence, first type of work, the strength of organization structure, the ability of manager. Authority, the right to make decision with respect to work assignment and to require subordinates to perform assigned tasks in accordance with the decision made. Line authority and staff authority. Delegation is the process of transferring the authority for a specific activity and empowering the individual to accomplish the task effectively. Have step of delegation, benefit and barrier of delegation, and how to overcome barrier. Centralization is the process of systematically maintaining the power and authority in the hands of higher level managers. And decentralization is the process of systematically hand over assigned power and authority throughout to middle and lower manager. Aline, what is the motivation?
Motivation is the force acting upon or within a person that causes that person to behave in a specific goal-directed manner. Wani, how about the motivation process?
The motivation process is unsatisfied need, tension, drive, search behavior, satisfied need, and reduction of tension.
There is 3 approach to motivation, which is first, needs-based approach, a second process approach, and third reinforcement approach.
In need-based approaches to motivation have three, which is
Maslow hierarchy of needs, Herzberg two-factor model, and acquired needs model.